Hello kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: sky blue, yellow, green, orange, light green, black, blue, pink, violet, brown, red and purple color. Orange color: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, blue color, Q, red color, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.